God, God. He was in the beginning the creator of the heaven and the earth. God. He was in Christ reconciling the world unto himself, not imputing their trespasses unto them, and had become unto us the word of reconciliation. God. He was in Christ when Christ walked the earth. Can I see God? No. No man has seen God at any time. Only the begotten Son, which is in the bosom of the Father, has declared him. So, no man has ever seen God. No man will ever see God, because God is invisible. We can't see him. Does he has a shape or a form? No. God is not form. God is not anything in creature. He was before all things, and by him all things consist. There isn't anything in earth that is God, because God created earth. God created the heaven. So there isn't anything in earth nor in heaven that God created that is God, because before God created the heaven and the earth, God was. How do I know God? How do you know God? We know God according to the knowledge of him that he tells us. He reveals himself according to his word. He said this about himself: I am Yahweh. There is none else. There is no God besides me. I guarded thee, though thou hast not known me. So God guarded us even though we have not known him. How do I believe him? How do you believe him? He says this: take his yoke upon you and learn of me, for I am meek and lowly in heart, and ye shall find rest for your souls. So God says to take his yoke upon you and learn of him. He tells us about himself through the word, so therefore he will help us to know who he is. It's okay if he's invisible, but God will reveal to us who he is as we read the scriptures moment by moment, day by day. God. His name is Yahweh. Though many refer to him as God, his name is Yahweh. His salvific name is Jesus Christ.